This is Kushal Chaitanya, and here I am going to tell how to keep birds away from plants in summer season. So first you should have so many threads or nets. You should tie these. You need 2 sticks, and you should need a big plant to tie it. For not the birds to come in from also the sides. So, for keeping the nets away, you can first tie these threads and keep some oil so that if they want to stand on these threads, they can't, they will slip because of the oil which is on the thread. So keeping like this make out of birds, and you can, there is no worries so that birds will not eat your leaves. And in winter season you can open these threads. Again you can keep these threads after summer, after winter season at early spring. Thank you friends. You can have these threads. See my diagram, and you can do this by tying the threads.